It's another edition of the Trading Tips video newsletter, teaching you how to become a successful trader in less than 5 minutes per week. The video newsletter is brought to you by TradingTips.com.
Welcome to this TradingTips.com video newsletter on the shooting star, a good indicator of a pending bearish reversal. In this episode, you'll learn how to identify a shooting star and what it means. And you'll also learn a little bit about two similar candlestick formations, the Gravestone Doji and the Dragonfly. Without further ado, let's begin. First, how to identify a shooting star. For starters, the stock's price gaps to open higher. The bigger the gap, the better. In fact, if the opening price is even higher than the previous day's high, that's best of all, though it is not necessary in order to qualify as a shooting star. Secondly, a shooting star has a small real body. Quick review. A candlestick's real body is the box area, representing the opening and closing prices. A shooting star's upper shadow, the vertical line coming out of the real body, should be at least twice as long, but preferably 3 times as long as the real body, and there should be no or almost no lower shadow. Here we have an example of a shooting star. Focus on the area that is circled in red. As you can see, the stock opened much higher than the previous day's close. Since the real body is black, we know the top of the real body represents the stock's opening price. And then it went much higher intraday before ultimately closing near its low for the day. Also notice that the lower shadow is very tiny, meaning the stock closed very close to its low for the day. Now for what this all means. When a stock gaps up from the previous day's close in an uptrend, rallies to a new high and then loses strength to close near its low, that represents a serious change in momentum to the bearish side. This trend is confirmed the next day by opening below the real body of the shooting star, which our example did. When these elements are present, there's a very good chance that the market is saying that the stock is overbought and due for a very serious correction, and that's exactly what played out in our example. Very closely related to the shooting star is the Gravestone Doji. The only difference between a shooting star and a Gravestone Doji is that with the latter, there is no difference between the opening and closing prices, meaning there is no real body at all. Thus, the stock opens higher than the previous day's close, goes much higher intraday, and then closes at the same price as the open, which is also very close to the intraday low. Gravestone Dojis are even more reliable indicators of a pending bearish reversal. But since we've brushed upon the concept of Gravestone Dojis, something has to be said about context. A Gravestone Doji is only bearish if it occurs at the top of an uptrend. If it occurs at the bottom of a downtrend, it is bullish. What's more, a mirror image of a Gravestone Doji is known as a Dragonfly Doji, and that is bullish. There are examples of both on the next slide. And here are those examples. In conclusion, shooting stars are one candlestick formations indicating a probable bearish reversal. Shooting stars occur at the top of uptrends, and if their opening and closing prices are identical, they are considered Gravestone Dojis, which provide an even higher probability of a bearish reversal. But if a Gravestone Doji occurs at the bottom of a downtrend, it can be bullish. As always, consider the context in which a formation occurs. We hope you've enjoyed this TradingTips.com video newsletter. Thanks for watching and good trading.
This Trading Tips video newsletter has been brought to you by Manny Backus's First Hour Trading System. Every day there's money to be made in the first hour of stock trading. This is the world of day trading, not for novices, unless you have a system. The First Hour Trading System. Visit firsthourtrading.com now and sign up for a free 30-day trial. You could make enough in the first hour of your day to take the rest of the day off. Do you want to view more Trading Tips videos? Visit TradingTips.com. Sign up for our free video newsletters. Become a successful trader by visiting TradingTips.com.